is here, and I have some amazing summer activities that your children or the students in your class or camp are gonna love. Get an ice cube tray, add water and food coloring, and let children explore ice cube painting. This activity is great for all ages. Incorporate literacy and water play by having this alphabet sprinkler. Another activity is a sensory bottle or ocean in a bottle with sand and food coloring. Or if you just want the ocean wave effect, you can use baby oil, water, and food coloring. Or paint can be substituted. Another cool activity is if you can't go to the beach, add ocean animals into a tub or a big pool and encourage children to find them. Or have another tub or another area of sand and seashells and have treasures like numbers and shapes for children to find. Another cool activity is mixing colors. Have 3 different cups or 3 different jars, add water and add colors like blue and red, and encourage children to mix those colors together to make a new color. Or you can do a popsicle craft, or go on lots of nature walks and encourage children to put nature items in a bag so they can later create a nature collage with different colors. Or get beach books or books about the weather, or even books about bugs, books about nature, books about animals, or children can create their own books using their journal, our latest journal, and all of this is linked below. Write their words, or you can write the words for them, or they can write them. Another cool way to celebrate summer is have them make their own ice cream or make their own bubbles. I'll make sure I include those ingredients below. Also, we have a giveaway of Commotion in the Ocean on June 30th. Check out your local vacation Bible schools or the library summer reading program. So let me know right now in the chat below, which summer activity are you going to do in your home, in your camp, or in your summer school? Let me know right now in the chat below.